You think you have a power problem. You think you have a defense problem. You think you're too slow. They are all symptoms of the same disease. Your power, your defense, and your speed are being stolen before they even start by your feet. In this video, I'm not giving you fancy drills. I'm giving you the 3-step blueprint to rebuild your entire foundation from the ground up. Before you can move, you must be stable. The first pillar is balance. A beginner stands on a tightrope. Their feet are on a straight line and they can be knocked over with a stiff breeze. A pro stands on a tripod. Their feet are shoulder-width apart, with their back heel slightly off the ground, creating a powerful, stable triangle. This is your foundation of power. The drill, the clock drill. Stand in your stance. Without moving your lead foot, pivot on it and move your rear foot to every number on a clock. 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. At every single point, you must feel that stable, powerful tripod beneath you. But perfect balance is useless if you're standing directly in the line of fire. That brings us to pillar 2, strategy. Your footwork isn't just for moving, it's your primary strategic weapon. As we've said before, the center line between you and your opponent is a railroad track. Your job is to get off it. The drill, the pivot box. Put 4 cones on the floor in a small square. Stand in the middle. Your heavy bag is on one side. Your job is to throw a 1-2, then pivot on your lead foot to face the next cone. Throw a 1-2, pivot again. This burns the habit of punching and immediately taking a dominant angle into your muscle memory. If you're ready to stop just learning moves and start learning the science of combat, hit that subscribe button. We build fighters from the ground up. You have balance, you have position, but how do you move between them without wasting energy? That is the final pillar, flow. Watch a beginner move. They are constantly hopping and bouncing. This is a massive waste of energy, and it telegraphs every move you're about to make. A pro doesn't hop, they glide. Their feet stay low to the ground, shuffling in small, controlled increments. They are always in position to attack or defend. The drill, the agility ladder glide. Lay an agility ladder on the floor. Don't jump through it. Your only goal is to glide through it, forward and backward, using small shuffling steps. Your feet should never be more than an inch off the ground. This trains the smooth, efficient movement that conserves energy and masks your intentions. Balance, positioning, and rhythm. The tripod, the angle, and the glide. These are the 3 pillars of elite footwork. Stop thinking about your feet and start thinking about your foundation. It is the operating system for everything you do. Which of these 3 pillars do you struggle with the most? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to rebuild your system, hit subscribe now. And to see how perfect footwork is used in a real fight, watch this breakdown of a pro using angles, which I've linked on the screen. Train smart, stay ready.